Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here, and today in this video, in this program, I'm gonna show you how with the help of YouTube statistic you can grow your channel really well. In our previous video episodes, we show you how to create a YouTube channel professionally and how to upload the video in YouTube channel and what is the exact time to upload the video and how you can get more public attention, how you can achieve more viewers and watch time on your video. And in the third video we show you how to customize your YouTube channel and how to design your YouTube homepage really well. So in this video we're gonna show you how YouTube statistic work and how with the help of YouTube statistic you can grow your channel really well, because YouTube statistic really play a good roles to see your audience, to see in which country peoples are being watch your video and what is your video work time and what is the watch time of your each video. So everything categorically show in the YouTube statistics, and with the help of that you can check what is the good time to upload the video and how with the help of the titles how much the views you getting on each video, what is the progress of your each video and what is the output of your each video. So YouTube statistic everybody believe to really play a good role, because with the help of that you can easily, properly, efficiently and effectively can understand your video working in which way, what is the good time to upload the video, and with the help of YouTube statistics you can grow your channel really well. So we'll categorically simultaneously show you how YouTube statistics work and how you can get the benefit from the YouTube statistic so that you can get more watch time, more subscribers and more view, and ultimately your motive is to serve the public, your motive is to earn the money really well. So with the help of this you will be able to achieve your motive in getting more views on the YouTube channel.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for new updates.
In this video we're gonna show you how YouTube statistic work, and with the help of YouTube statistic how you guys can grow your YouTube channel. So here to see your YouTube statistics you need to click on the right side on the top where is the photo option. Just click here and it show you the other different options. So you need to click on YouTube Studio. So when you will click on the YouTube Studio, on the left side on your window it'll give you a different option: dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, copyrights and all. So here is two major components that you need to see. First, the dashboard. Here is the dashboard showing you how much the subscriber you have it and how much the views of each video is, and if have any sort of news or ideas or update from the YouTube. So this is not my main channel because due to some security purpose I'm unable to show my main channel statistics, but this is my another channel that I started a few days before. That's why their subscriber and views are very less. So here is the main page where you need to see it, and here you need to see analytics of your channel. So in the YouTube analytics it show you the different option. One is the overview. So in the overview tab it show you how much the views you have in last 28 days, how much the watch time is and how much the subscriber you have it. And if you want to see more than 28 days you can just click here on the right side and show you drop down different option: last 7 days, last 28 days, last 90 days, 365 days, lifetime, 2020, 19 December. Categorically you can select in which particular year you want to see the progress of your channel. And see here I show you the reach of your channel, how much the impression you have it, impression, through click, views and unique views. And this categorically graph presentation also making it really clear when your views goes high, when it was down, when it was higher, and it also show you the trafficking of your traffic source of your YouTube channel. I mean 43% just watched my video through the browser feature, in through the YouTube search 33%, channel page 10.3%, notifications, suggest videos, and other. And see on the traffic source external sources apart from the YouTube platform. If people see your video through the Facebook or through the Instagram, through the WhatsApp, or through some other source, so it show here in traffic source through the suggest video. So your YouTube channel, on your YouTube channel, YouTube also suggests your video. So here is also the data showing you how much you got the views and the watch time from the suggest video. And see on the right side, it also show you the traffic source through the YouTube search proportion of your total traffic. So it's showing you the search traffic is 33.3%, and it also showing you the how much your each video have the watch and view time, and with the help of that you can categorically understand the traffic source. So here is the engaged button, so in which is showing the engagement of people on your YouTube channel, and this graphical representation also showing you the data comprehensively about when your views was top, when views was on the bottom, top, and with that it also show you the date and time. And here is the top video, and here is the top end screen elements, top playlist, top card. So these are showing here, and here is the audience. So on the audience button, it show you categorically much clear information. It show you the true and clear picture about your YouTube channel. When your views are on the top, watch time from subscriber, age, and other YouTube audience, top geographics, and total subtitles in the languages. So if you want to see everything really clear, you just need to click on this see more button, and it rotate you, it accelerates you towards the main categorical statistics page, where it show you everything comprehensively, concise, in a really good banner, so that you easily and promptly you can understand. So here is the traffic source, is showing you the from where you got the traffic from the browser, YouTube search, suggestion videos, channel page, and other. It also give you a really good idea about views, watch hour, views duration, impression click-through rate. And here is geographically showing you your videos are watching in which country, like in Pakistan, and how much percentage of views, watch time, and average view. And here is the view age, in view gender, date, when your videos were watched, in playlist. And if you want to add any more statistic, you can just click on it and I'll add it here. End screen, C card, sharing service, translate views, video information, language, operating system, playback location, video type, and YouTube product. So with the help of this YouTube statistic, you can easily get the idea about your each video, and by using really good strategy and techniques through this YouTube statistic, you can grow your channel really well. So if you got not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button, so that every latest update come to you first, and you guys can enjoy the benefit of each video. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Good.